Christian University from the first onboarding lab. Onboarding
Hello students, welcome to IIDT Internships with Apshay, which is run by industry partner Blackbucks. So International Institute of Digital Technologies is India's first digital technology institution established by Government of Andhra Pradesh by Tirupati to nurture high quality digital talent in AP. So and also Blackbuck Engineers is an industry partner which was started in 2013 with the aim of creating a great ecosystem for academia and industry and individuals for building the gap between industry and the students. So here we are here to explain you how this internship will be beneficial for you for in your academics and how you can gain the industry experience through this internship program. So here we have Anuradha Tota, who is the CEO of Blackbucks, to give you insights about these internship programs.
Okay, thank you, Manaswini. Hello, students. Good evening. This is Anuradha Tota. And so just let us start off understanding about yourself. So I'll see that around 150 students are there on this here in Zoom, and lots of other students are watching it on YouTube. So students, before we start off, I have a couple of questions for you. So let me check. Okay. Okay, tell me which one best describes you. I'm excited when I see magic. I'm a very mathematical person. I love numbers. I like suspense movies, police investigation movies. I like how systems like IRCTC, Book My Show, Ola, Uber work. So which one does best describe you? Okay. Okay, so let us conclude on this. Let me check what you have mostly answered. So many students have said, I like suspense movies and police investigation movies. And why this question? I'm just checking what you are genuinely interested in. See, this suspense movies and police investigation movies is almost like cybersecurity. You know, there are people who will attack, and there are the cybersecurity experts who will actually stop them. This is how cybersecurity works. And next question is many people have answered about is I like how systems like IRCTC, Book My Show, Ola, Uber works. That's what many people have shared too. That means these all actually work on internet systems. These are called these internet systems, which work on huge cloud-based servers and connect people across the world. So probably you might be very much inclined towards full stack. Similarly, I'm excited when I see magic, in the sense whatever artificial intelligence, machine learning is doing is nothing short of magic actually. Really, if you see, I used to take almost 1 month to 45 days to work on a, say, website. Now it's taking me 45 minutes because entire code is being given by either ChatGPT or Gemini or Copilot. They are giving in minutes actually. So this is actually magic. Not only the large language models, the computer vision, natural language processing, all these things are nothing short of magic. And I'm a mathematical person. I love numbers. probably many of you must be thinking data science is something about Python. If I learn Python, which is super easy. If I learn Python, then I am a data scientist, is many people must be thinking, but it's very difficult. You need to know a lot of maths to become a true data scientist. You can become a Python programmer. That's very easy. Python is just dragging and dropping things. If you understand the concepts, you don't need to write much code. It's very easy. Python is very easy, but the algorithm behind whatever mathematics or stat, that is very difficult to become. So I just wanted to know what kind of students are here. Now, next question is, I want another question from you all. Please type here which year you belong to, second year or third year. Which year do you belong to? Third year, okay. Most of the students, third years looks like. Okay, so especially third year students, I want to tell you on YouTube or here, I want to really tell you, this is a transition from third year to fourth year, right? Take it very seriously, because in many colleges, students get placed by September, October, November, that's it. After that, people can assume there are not many jobs. It is being very difficult these days. I want to caution in every encounter with students, I'm going to caution this, because of the reason I told you that artificial intelligence has become very efficient, and so there are not many programmers required, number one. Number two, actually it is a recession time in America, and so automatically number of jobs that come to India are also very less. Because of these reasons, the economy is settling itself, kind of jobs are also shifting. Everybody wanting to do a programmer is a little bit difficult. Jobs are shifting. Many of you must also consider learning a little bit of management subjects so that you'll also become managers, which is also a good job. Don't think only programmer is a good job. So things are all changing, and during this time of changing, the jobs are very less. Usually, IBM used to hire 10,000 students per year. Now they are hiring 100, 150 students. Similar is the case with everybody. Many of them have declared they are not hiring this year. I hope next year, by the time you come to your hiring time, things get better. But everybody, what I am going to say now is, work hard during these next few months. And even second years also, please start putting your efforts in that direction, not just your academics, study 1 hour before exam and get 80% marks. It's not like that. Please practice lots. Okay. So with that, let us start. I wanted to caution all of you in best interest of you, and with a real good intention that you all have to get into good careers. I wanted to tell that part. Okay. Now let us get into what is about this. So I just asked you a question about you, and also wanted to ask, anybody can type to me what is internship. I'll just give 1 minute. Can anybody type to me what is internship? Internship ante enti. What is it actually? Project. Lasya says project. Mini project. Rufus. Internship is internship. Visam Setti Venkat Kartikeya is a type of mini project. It's a real work experience, gaining experience. Viper has copied and pasted from internet. Opportunity to work on real-time experience, professional learning experience, mini job or real work. Yeah, true meanings are coming out. Practical learning, mini project. Okay, these are the true meanings. The true meaning is like what people have mentioned here. It's professional learning experience, opportunity to work on real-time experience. What Krishna has said, or Jet Pragna has said. So some people have really said it is true experience. But what happened is, now that government has mentioned that every student has to complete their internship, the real true meaning of internship, that you go and work in a company, has changed. And government was also facilitated through this platform that people can gain experience without actually going to a company. So we also try to bring to you best experience to you as if you are working on a real practical experience. Like many others, what I have seen is they have put recorded videos. Students don't learn anything. They'll just drag on to the last slide and complete question answers, get a certificate. Who is that useful to? Not to the student, not to the college, not to economy, not to anybody. You are going towards getting into next job, at least gain some training, real experience, complete a small project. That's what we have tried to put. Blackbucks IIDT, I represent IIDT and Blackbucks both. So what I'm saying is get some experience, get some true real project. So if you are not good at coding, say for example, I'm not able to understand this, at least sit with your friend and complete it. Sit with your friend and watch how they are doing. But at least look at that something, learn some experience. That's what I wanted to tell about internship. And before that, I just wanted to tell about me. So I am like you. I have worked with Satyam. Now it's called Tech Mahindra. Then I worked with Wipro. I worked with Microsoft. I worked with all these companies mostly in US and UK. Then I took a break and did MBA from ISB, which is a very premier college. Then I started my own organization. Blackbucks is my own organization, established in 2013. It's 11 years. I'm a tech entrepreneur, and we have a proud product called Taptap. Some of you might have taken test on it. So that's about me. And sir, you can see Gurumurthy sir, he is our placement officer, and he brings a lot of companies onto our portal, onto Taptap. You can see lots of jobs posted for the benefit of the students. You can apply to those jobs when you are doing internships with IIDT-Blackbucks. You also see Rajkumar sir, he is IIT alum, IIT Mechanical Engineer from 2015. And he's been one of the key strengths of Blackbucks. Okay, so now let's move on to what you are at for this IIDT. You might have heard about International Institute of Digital Technologies, mostly through us, and established in 2016 very ambitiously by government of Andhra Pradesh. You know, IITs, right? Indian Institute of Technology is mostly concentrated on mechanical engineering, core engineering, actually. That is the time it was established. Then IIITs have come for information technology. So they have established because at that time computer science was pulling off and that a lot of IT companies were coming. That is when government has established IIIT. Now, IIDT is digital technologies. These days, for the past 5-6 years, it has been the age of digital technologies, AI, ML, data science, cyber security, full stack. This has been the situation recently. So, for that ambitious reason to give the best education is why IIDT has been established by government of Andhra Pradesh, and IIDT also has postgraduate programs. Once you complete your graduation, you can also consider the post-graduation program from IIDT. Okay, now Blackbucks is some of you must be knowing or some of you might not be knowing. Blackbucks is Taptap. You might have heard we have the flagship program. Apart from that, we are industry partner to various universities, including IIDT. We provide industry knowledge and to lots of students. We bring also jobs to the students. We have, just in 2024, around 1.5 lakh students have taken assessments for rating their skills. Skill ratings they have tested on this platform to check their rank in, like MSET rank, you get a rank. Where do you stand in the state? You get a rank there. Okay, that's about Blackbucks. And coming to different offerings that we have as part of internships, these are in these different fields as you see on the screen: artificial intelligence, cyber security, full stack, embedded systems, VLSI. So the ECE students might be interested in embedded systems, IoT and VLSI, but nobody is going to stop you if you are interested in computer science related subjects, AI, cyber security or full stack. Government has mentioned you can take any of the subjects as your internship. It need not be related to your own field. If it is from your own field, well and good. If it is not, also you will get additional knowledge from other fields. So you can take it from other fields also. So artificial intelligence, cyber security, full stack, BLSI, business analytics, no code, low code, CRM tools. If you do not know, please just try to find out what these are. Business analytics or CRM is customer relationship management. It is for sales and marketing people, if you are interested in that. Okay, some questions. Triple E student can opt for artificial intelligence. That's what I just said. Nobody is going to stop. In whatever you want, you can take. That is what government said. You will have to do whatever you want. That's what government has said. Okay, now I just have a question, secret question with you. You can type the answer from this. So there is a launch. Say, are you here to learn while doing internship or just somehow complete the internship and close it? Which one do you want? I have a very honest person. Oh, 4 honest people somehow complete internship and close. All right, nice. Okay, so the first people genuinely want to learn, I'm assuming, and the second, complete internship people are also there. Somehow I also there. I thank them for the honesty. Okay, so this is how students want. You can see on the screen. Many students want to learn while doing internships, complete internships. So both is possible, both anything is possible actually, but I would honestly suggest please learn. This is one opportunity to learn very well because we teach so very well. Every day there will be quizzes, there will be weekly tests. We teach so very well. You will have to pay 30 to 40,000 when you go out of your college and join certain course like data science. Some are 30 to 40,000, some are 2 to 3 lakhs. But we will teach with same sincerity, same content by really, really very good industry experts. So utilize it. Okay, don't just complete it. If you want to complete also, you just take a test. But my sincere suggestion is learn why to spend so much outside. Okay. So what happens, how you learn, there are some students who are onboarding today. There will be 25 hours of live classes students. And live classes means a sir or teacher will come and explain to you. They will help you do complete. This is what you will have not miss, because if you are not there, say for example, sorry. So if you are not there on a day, particular day, you are sick or you went to for a marriage or something like that, you are not there for that particular day, it will still be available in the LMS. You can see it. But however, live classes are very important because there is exchange of information. The other person is telling, observing how you are responding, and according to your pace, that person is changing. So many things happen in live classes. In internet, how many people complete registered classes? 2% people complete the registered classes, because if there is no discipline, you will never get back there. That is why on the given time, you will have to join. This will be in the evenings, so don't worry about it. But attend the live class. When the sir is explaining, attend the live classes. If you have any questions, keep typing. I'll answer those questions. Next, practicals and assignments. There are 60 hours. Complete all the quizzes, assignments given to you. Those will add to your hands-on learning. Then there will also be employability skills. They will be teaching you a little bit of aptitude, a little bit of verbal, then a little bit of interview skills. How should your resume be? How should you answer in an interview? What questions will they ask? They will tell you lots of things related to employability skills. Then you will have to document and submit in your college for those best marks. You will have to document, and what is even more good about this is Blackbox will give you a mentor to complete your practical project. We will give you a mentor and you can call up that mentor. You can chat with that mentor. If you have any questions, that mentor will help you complete that project. Okay. Okay, somebody is asking about internship. How long will you get the offer letter, and hope you respond. You will get soon after. Don't worry about it. Just keep learning. Okay. And you join those WhatsApp group and the Telegram group. They will give as soon as you pay. In 1 or 2 days, they will add you to a WhatsApp group or a Telegram group and keep giving you information related to your logins to Taptap, the next class, link for the Zoom class, and all these things they will be giving to you as soon as you join. If it is late, then don't worry. Log into Taptap and there is help center button in the end. In the menu, go to help center, raise the request, they will answer you immediately. Okay. So there is certain kind of these are the for artificial intelligence roles that you will get once you do artificial intelligence. You will be learning lots of things, but don't worry about what they will teach. They will teach good. We will do our activity in the best possible way. Okay, ChatGPT is also there, Lokeshwar. Don't worry about it. Okay. So there are other streams. Can you see, Lokeshwar? Students, chala tondar ekkuva. Okay. So there are a lot of other streams. So you can actually change also now if you want. But once you are mapped onto AppShape portal, then changing becomes very difficult. I'm telling you really to think and put your choose your domain, because changing is usually headache. Our people also take time. Then once it is in AppShare, it will take, your sir has to apply to AppShare. AppShare has to approve. Then they will have to send to us and we will have to do the work. So think and choose your platform before applying to AppShare. Number one. And number two important thing I'll tell you is, always use from now onwards, from your third year or second year, choose only one email ID. Because everywhere your digital profile is getting built up, especially in Taptap, your profile is getting built up. What is this boy or this girl is good at? What rating do they have? What project did they do? What learnings did they have done? What is their employability score? All this history is getting stored about you. And if you change your email ID, all the work you have done is lost. Don't change your email ID and don't put a mail to change your email ID. My voice is not audible. Somebody type in the groups that you're all able to hear. It is the problem of Pushpa who is not able to hear. Okay. So anyway, so important is don't change your email ID, right? Faculty are all fantastic faculty. Don't even worry about it. Don't worry about syllabus, about the faculty. They are all good. Okay. You should think about whether you are completing your classes, completing your exercises or not. If you do that, then it is equivalent to some 20-30,000. Okay. Now, who will teach full stack? You can see it on the screen, Mr. Rakib. He is Chief Technology Officer at an Unboxing Art. He will be teaching you about full stack. Okay. Then Mr. Ali, he will teach you about cyber security. Okay. And for AI, ML, data science, very good teachers are there, trainers, faculty and professors. Don't worry about it. Okay. Then I'll just quickly give you a sneak peek of Taptap. Very easy, students, especially Krishna University students. Please concentrate on this. Just go to taptap.blackbucks.me, and I made it very easy for any student, because I never saw even old people as confused as students. So we made it very easy. You just click on it, choose your Gmail, and always fix to that Gmail and get into the system. Okay. And in that system, there are so many things. If you want to learn something, go to the lesson plans and learn. Okay. And there are also some courses. They have started putting product management, which is very expensive outside, but you can learn it here. Lesson plans, you can learn some pre-existing also if you want, but don't worry about learn, because every day will tell you what to learn. Now practice. This is what you will have to try. Go and try monthly employability test and see where you stand. Because you see here, right, where you stand, you can see where do you stand in your in the state, and also where you stand in your college also you can see. Select your college, select year of passing, select, or just type your name. Say for example, there is some Nagasatya Sai Nallam. I'm just typing Nallam. Okay. So it will give you Nagasatya Sai Nallam, submit, it will give you the student's rank and student's college and everything, right? How many monthly employability tests this student has taken, everything you can see when you go to this check my rank once you take a test. Then going to practice, you can also practice old company papers, Amazon paper, Cognizant paper, Wipro paper. You have so many things here. We will tell you when to do what. You can also practice your interviews. You can practice your coding here. Select algorithms, which algorithm, number theory algorithm, and then work on it. Like this, you can work a lot. Whatever you do in this boost, there is something called boost here. Boost means boost your resume. Okay, take a test here. English rating, Go rating, or C++ rating. Take a test here and it will go and sit in your resume. So you have a my profile. It will go and sit in your resume. Recruiters can check this boy's whatever is the strengths of this boy. What is the strength of this girl? They can go and check. So fill this all the details so that when a recruiter goes and checks your profile, it is full. I didn't write anything, but you have to fill everything in your technical experience, your project, your certifications, your education, everything. Try to fill everything. If you don't have, say, for example, certification, complete a certification and put, only then your resume will be full. Okay. Now go to jobs. Here is where, while you are doing internship, we keep on posting jobs. You can apply for jobs. You can also try your IELTS and GRE here. Okay. So these are so many things that I said. Help center, right? Go to help center, create ticket and raise a ticket. Our guys will look at it and tell you. Okay. There is, once you are messaged with mentor also is there. When you are here with a project and you are stuck up with a project, you can message to the mentor. Last date is not over, Shiva. You can still join. Okay. So this is about the platform. Let's go back to this. Okay, here is what I told you, right? They will also teach you employability skills. This is what is the content of employability skills. That's okay. You will anyway be taught. So that's about the platform and what you will be learning. I'll ask Raj sir to explain to you about the various aspects of the internship. What is the onboarding process? What you should do? Raj, can you please take over?
Sure. Thank you so much. Ma'am, will you mind telling that my voice is clear and visible, clear and audible?
You are not audible, maybe, but low voice.
Is this clear, madam?
Voice should be even more, yeah.
Guys, can you please tell me in the chat section your voice is clear or not? My voice is. Camera. Can you share the screen? Uh, uh, Dear students, please type in the chat section if my voice is clear and audible to you. Thank you. Tarun Tej. Perfect. So dear students, I'm going to tell you in terms of how we work, in terms of once you start onboarding. So for all the students who are watching in the YouTube and Zoom, people who once there's a payment link circulated by all the college management or the students, which my team also going to share the payment confirmation link in the chat section. So once you fill the payment confirmation form along with your transaction, so we are going to release a offer letter within 2 working days. So that means if you fill the form today, you'll be getting the offer letter by 2 working days. For some students who didn't receive, don't worry. By this Saturday, we are going to roll out offer letter once again to all the students so that we can start the classes from Monday in a successful manner. So once you have to fill the payment confirmation form, then you have getting a offer letter in hand in email. Please ensure checking in your spam section, checking in your promotion tab about the offer letter. Please check and come back to us. Then there'll be a mailer circulating to all of your emails about your domain that you selected. So you'll be adding into the Telegram group link where all kind of updates about in terms of class links, class schedule, everything will be alerted and also informed through Telegram and the kind of email. So what we do, once you join, you will be getting a logbook, you'll be getting a class schedule, and also the entire syllabus will be given to you with a week on week schedule. So every student has to understand what's happening in a weekly basis. In a simple way manner, any domain that you choose, if you choose AI, ML, data science, or cybersecurity, or full stack, your classes weekly, there will be 3 weekly live classes, which is held in the evening times, like 7 to 8:30 period. And the remaining days, you will be getting it exams. So this is completely a practical knowledge of placement preparation internship program, which is being given by IIDT and Blackbucks. So this program is designed in such a way that every alternate days there will be live classes. Every alternate days there will be exams and assignments. So in every week, you are going to engage for minimum 12 to 15 hours per week to finish this internship program. And there will be communication about your live classes section in front of your Telegram group and also email where you have to go through it. By chance, if you miss a live class also, don't worry guys, you'll be getting a LMS of Taptap, and also you'll be getting a recording sessions where you can go through the recording sessions. And make sure every day we send some kind of test and task will be given to you where you have to finish those tasks for the certification purpose. Remember, certificate of IIDT-Blackbucks will only be given to students who do live classes, who do exams successfully. Because this internship is a very serious concern about your placements. It's not about your just recording sessions. So we are ensuring that every student who perform well, who complete at least do some kind of activity in the internship, we are going to give an internship certificate. But at least they have to write some exams is what our concern. And also as part of internship, we are the only one player in the entire portal. You can understand entire portal, AppShe portal. IIDT-Blackbuck is only one player who is giving a small project as an outcome where you can talk in front of any kind of placement preparation or interviews in the future. So there will be a mentor will be assigned for each and every project, and you'll be talking to mentor over WhatsApp for any kind of clarifications on project submission. You will be undergone as a mandatory project document submission as part of this internship program. And there'll be a grand test at the end of the program. End of 120 hours, there is a one grand test which we conduct for sake of certification purpose, guys. So in a nutshell, as madam explained, this program have a live classes, project submission, practicals and assignments, and also interview preparation. It should be an overall view of placement preparation. And this is a certificate that you can see on the screen, which you'll be getting. The best part is you'll be getting through government of Andhra Pradesh and also Blackbucks and IIDT. And you can see Dr. Sundar Balakrishna is the Director General and also Special Secretary to IT Department, and Anuradha Madam. So these kind of certificate you'll be getting with also understanding that your performance is excellent or satisfactory, or actually outstanding. So entire performance will be tracked by IIDT-Blackbucks internship team. And depending on your performance during these 2 months, your certificate of completion will be awarded. Is it excellent or satisfactory or outstanding? And in a very nutshell, I wanted to confirm to all of you students over here, all the students who onboard with IIDT-Blackbucks, you will be getting live classes and certification. You'll be getting project review and also employability skills. And the best part, I understand a lot of students don't want to talk during classes, cannot express their doubts. They can chat in WhatsApp with our mentor who can supporting you for in terms of any kind of doubts for project submission. So make sure all students in this classroom use the internship as the best tool for your resume building. Use this internship opportunity in a better way for your placement preparation, and also just create that employability skills with IIDT-Blackbucks. So those who don't join, my team will be sharing the kind of payment link confirmation where you can choose a domain and you can actually fill the form and submit, so that we can start the classes from 27th onwards. So I request Manaswini or Akila to share the payment link in the chat section so that students can able to fill the form. Those who didn't fill the form yet, they can write it actually. Um, uh, yeah, madam, can I take it for doubts or you want to talk, madam?
I mean, like the students have doubts. Only doubt I see is they want to change their domain. How to do that? And some people apply new. So can somebody post how they can apply for this program?
Akila or Manaswini, can you post the kind of
Yeah, they have posted.
payment confirmation?
Yes, they have posted.
Dear students, please fill the form once for a confirmation about your payment, and also kind of your confirmation about the seat if you're not done the payment confirmation till now. And for any student who have a queries in terms of to change the domain, to changing the kind of concern that they have come across, we are going to share a format in the chat section where you can fill the chat section format and also email to us. We'll be taking care of it by Monday.
Okay, some student wants me to show the project management. What do you teach in project management? Students, we have a detailed syllabus for each and every domain that we have posted. So you can see the project management syllabus here. So you have project planning and scoping, scheduling and time management. How do you do, what is a project, and how you will have so many people working in a project. So you will have to maintain who should complete what, and within what time you need to complete which task. So you'll have to write down all the tasks, you have to plan for it, you have to assign to people, that is called resource management. Then you will have to maintain the cost. Every project will be given, say this one you have to complete in 10 lakhs rupees. So how do you manage the cost, how do you put budgets, how do you maintain the quality of the project, and how do you monitor and control? So all these things will be taught as part of project management. For all the programs, you have a detailed syllabus and very good teachers to teach you. So don't worry about it. Okay. Anybody else has any other questions?
Students, feel free to ask your any queries. We are happy to address your queries here.
Mother Jasmine says no.
The first step only comes when you start talking or start engaging. So request everyone, if you have doubts, please raise your points.
Okay, so this batch of students have fewer questions. Maybe it's second time or so. So
Those who
students,
already paid, there's already paid from Krishna University. Your timings will start from 7 to 8:30, and also you'll be getting kind of offer letters by within 2 working days, and you'll be adding in a Telegram group.
Okay, so one student has said live classes notifications I am not getting. It has not started because students are still joining. It has not started. There is no DevOps course. If you want a DevOps course, Raj, is there any option that they can take DevOps course? Just have a look at it, Raj.
Sure.
Can we get placements? Mahesh, lot of jobs will be posted. We will not take you carefully and place you, but we'll be posting lot of jobs. It is your duty to prepare yourself best and apply to those jobs.
Class duration will be 1.5 hours, guys. It is on 7 to 8:30 time. Telegram group channel link will be given to people who paid. Once you start paying, you will be getting a Telegram group link by Saturday.
So Venugopal, the examinations and all these things, it is government run program, right? So they will be telling us on which dates to start, which dates to stop. So according to the government, we will be running it. So don't worry about it. According to domains, no, sometimes they clash, sometimes they are different, and sometimes they are on the same time. So full stack development, I'll again show you the screen. So this is what is full stack. Some who is asked, Kiran Gannabatula. So you will it is Java full stack. You can see on the screen. You will learn Java, MySQL, web development with servlets, and then Java with MySQL, little bit of front-end development, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is what you will cover as part of this.
For all the Krishna University students, we just started onboarding all of you. Sir is supporting in terms of the students to join this internship. So as per sir suggestion, the offer letter will be sent by tomorrow itself, and also we'll be getting a Telegram group by Saturday.
Rajkumar, somebody wants to change their domain. What should they do?
Whenever they want to change the domain, there's a format sent in the chat section. They have to email in the same format to all of us. I'm resharing that format to all of you. Please use that format and write an email to us so that we can change officially.
Okay, if you have completed your payment, what will happen is they will send you a mail, they will communicate with you, and they will join you in some WhatsApp or Telegram. So do not worry about it. If you are still worried what you should do, I told you, go to Taptap. There is help center section, raise a request there. No, one person won't teach all domains. There will be experts for different subjects, different experts. So cybersecurity, I'm showing you. So Windows and Linux operating systems, both they will cover as part of it. Which domain is best in current situation? I think personally, Java full stack with Java is the best in current situation. In VLSI, what we learn, madam? Okay, this is VLSI syllabus. Even professors have looked at it and said this is very good syllabus. So Bhavani, please have a look on the screen. VLSI syllabus, you have logic design, hardware description, CMOS technology. You'll have CAD tools, testing and verification techniques, physical design, and design applications. There is no MATLAB Chaitanya because it is a very highly expensive license and students won't pay for it. We have discontinued MATLAB. Rajesh, don't worry about it, Rajesh. If you still are worried, you just raise a request on Taptap. But otherwise, if you have completed your payment, then people will take care of it. Team will take care of it. What about Python? Python, DSA skills and soft skills are important. Python is very easy, and if you have both Java and Python, it is even more better. But if you are in AI/ML data science group, they will definitely teach you Python. If you can see here, they can teach Python. Python, DSA, both are very good. For all jobs, you need to have soft skills. Show me the full stack syllabus once. Okay. Surya, I received a mail about offer letter, but there is no letter attached. Okay. Please show chat.
Everybody is getting offer letter once again by Saturday. So we are going to reshare. Please check your inbox, spam, and all kind of promotions tab. And the classes will effectively start from Monday onwards for all of you to begin the program with. And by Saturday, everybody will get into Telegram group where you can join the program.
Uma, cybersecurity is good for IT students. But in case if you are thinking from job angle, probably full stack is better in terms of job angle. But cybersecurity is a very good field which is in future, probably 2-3 years, once you join some organization, in 2-3 years, it will be really good when you want to move into cybersecurity. It has huge scope. But as a fresher, I think full stack will be better. Please show ChatGPT syllabus.
Ma'am, one person is asking from YouTube AI/ML syllabus as well.
I will show.
During your registration process, there is an attachment in the registration link also where you can get the syllabus complete document for all of you students over here. Syllabus is already attached in the registration link. You can just open while doing your registration process also. The moment how you have done in registration, there will be a kind of link. But yeah, on the screen you can see AI/ML data science also.
So that's AI/ML. If you have seen the top part, I will going down to the next few. So which is best, either full stack or artificial intelligence? Gayatri, I would suggest full stack is better if you are asking in terms of fresher jobs. Okay, but artificial intelligence is the future. If we are not into coding of artificial intelligence, we should at least know how to use artificial intelligence effectively. That you will get even through ChatGPT course also is very good, because you have to understand how to, that is called prompt engineering. So how to ask questions to artificial intelligence. That also is a valuable skill. Future is artificial intelligence, but for a fresher job angle, I think full stack is better. C++ course, no, Gopi, actually, there's no C++ course. So duration, how many months? 2 months, is it, Raj? Duration?
2 months and 120 hours as per the prescription, but we are giving 135 hours, guys. So it's a 2-month duration.
Okay, Sai, go ahead and change your domain. Rajkumar sir had told you how to change. What about ChatGPT? ChatGPT is just, I mean, like, you can use ChatGPT is existing already. How to use it effectively using prompt engineering is what you can learn now. VLSI is a very good field, actually. So usually they say when very large scale integration, right? Some people say very large scale salaries also, actually. But the number of openings are very few, Sanjana. You will have to see what is this, where do you stand? I mean, like, do you have lots of opportunities that the college brings or not? All these things you will have to see before you decide. But VLSA as a field is a great field and highly paid jobs. Just like AI, VLSA also gets a lot of highly paid jobs, but only very few are there available in India. After payment also you can change the domain Uma, but it becomes very difficult after you mention your domain in AppShape portal. After AppShape portal, just leave it. For your long term use, take another one. Yes, Java for web development. Mean or Mon for your long term, Kiran Ganna Batula. Long term also you will join, right? Then we will be teaching Mean or Mon. Take it as extension and learn nicely. Now you learn this. When it comes to long term, you learn Mean or Mon because it's little bit tough. You are starting off now. So Java is better. Last day to apply is there. Raj?
The 25th is the last date for the application for internship, guys. So before 25th, you have to make sure you have to register and do the payment. And the payment link will be shared in the chat section. And the classes will be starting from Monday.
So duration for full stack for everybody, it's 2 months, as sir has mentioned. 25th is the last date. What will be the time of classes every day, Rajkumar?
It is 7 to 8:30 in the evening times. The class is going to be started.
Yes, Tejasvi, all the sessions will be available in Taptap. If there are semester exams, there will be short breaks or sometimes these will be available online. So keep checking.
Class are going to be weekly thrice. The every communication will be sent to all in Telegram group link, and you will be getting all kind of information in the Telegram. Every duration of every internship domain is 120 hours, which lasts in 2 months of program. So team, can you reshare the payment link once how the students have to pay? Reshare Taptap link to Raju sir, please. Yes, there will be attendance percentage, we'll be tracking it, but the main exams are more important. Grand tests are more important for us.
Offer letter, Lokeshwar, don't worry about it. You can change your domain now and also you will get offer letter. Don't worry about it, Lokeshwar. And Ravi Kumar, after completion of class, yes, in Taptap you will be, all the recorded videos will be there. Embedded IoT and all internships have same duration. Don't ask for each one. It is 2 months, 135 hours. Okay. So somebody is asking embedded IoT is using what? Let me just check and tell you. I don't know if it's Raspberry Pi, but I will just check it. ESP8266. Domain changing process, it seems, Raj. So Raja, you got the idea, embedded IoT using what you said, right? ESP8266. Okay, students. Hopefully all your questions are answered.
Changing domain, they have to send email before start of the program. So please send an email to this attached email address for changing the domain address.
Okay, students, then I will close the session. All the best to all of you. Have great future. Learn very well. Thank you so much for.
Thank you so much for all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you, madam. Thanks for joining the call. Thank you, Krishna University faculty, sir, for arranging this and asking the students to join also. Rest of the students, please fill the form so that everyone is getting kind of payment confirmation. Then they'll be getting